let's do a quick tour from the front to the back. So right here, I installed a front hitch. So right now I have just a shackle. I'll show you later, but this panel here, because such a big door is, you know, not super useful. But this behind is a table. So those windows were added. And so are those windows. So all the windows everywhere was like 4K, and I got them installed. That I didn't do myself. I have a hitch to pull my boat, of course. Right now they're just a step. That's useful. I got a 2.5 gallon gas tank that's good for 50 miles. So this is a diesel engine. If you run out of diesel, it's a really bad problem. You gotta basically tow it to a garage. And I had a ladder, and here on top you see there's 2 backlights. I have a remote control inside the van, and this was to light up my boat. So when I trailer it, if I stop somewhere, or if I'm at the boat ramp and I need some light, I can use those. And let me show you the roof. I got solar panels in here. So as you can see, 2 solar panels, 100 watts each. I installed this pass-through, and you can see I have like, those are solar power cables, but also I have 2 SAE cable, and that's what feed electricity to those trailer lights. And I have a roof fan that I had it installed also by Titan Van at the same time with the windows. So anything that really cuts the roof, I didn't want to do it myself, and the side too, because if you mess up, it's a big problem. So the van is a little dusty. That's a little desert dirt. Okay, so this is a small fridge. This is like some kind of tool chest on wheels, and as you can see here, everything is on L tracks. I got L tracks here. So the way it works is you can buy these adapters and they clip in it. So there's an adapter back here. So the bed is in 3 sections. 1 middle section, and I can lift it on each side. They lift, and then it becomes full cargo space. Here I have the wheel wells, and I cover them with a box. I'll show you inside, and same thing on this side. And again, L tracks here. I can tie up everything. This is my food box. It's also something I can step on to get on the bed. These are like big storage bins. That's all the stuff. Fresh water, that was an afterthought. And of course I have a sink here. Nice little sink with a manual pump. So fridge is quite small, but it's good enough for me and for a couple days. And this is inside, a little bit of a mess. These are foam pads because I don't want things to move around when I drive. And here you get the drinking water, the fresh water that goes to the pump in the sink, and then you get the gray water here. Do not drink, of course. So this thing is not connected other than through the L track. So I can easily disconnect it from the L tracks and remove it. Same thing with this, connected to the L track. This is the toilet. Little porta potty. Okay, so I did all the interior and I kept it quite simple. The roof I wanted wood, so this is a 1/4 inch birch panel. You get a Home Depot 4x8, and they're simply screwed directly into the metal frame. Same thing with those panels. I just painted them gray. Again, everything is screwed directly into the metal frame. So I know some people put wood frame, but I thought it was a little bit overkill. With all the windows, I didn't think the insulation difference would matter here. And the insulation of all the wall is basically bubble wrap. I have 3, 4, 5 layers of bubble wrap everywhere. It's cheap, it's easy to work with, it doesn't absorb humidity, and I'm totally satisfied with this. So anyway, take a little look. The detail, I have little, you know, storage areas there. Got the little climber hooks and put clothes. Got a SAE plug here. This is a signal booster I'm working on. It's not quite working yet. Ceiling lights. Little magnet. Carbon monoxide, because I have a heater here. Propane heater, storage, ceiling fan, and this is how I turn on and off the trailer backlights. Okay, and this is a table. This is the cargo configuration. It's all open. Forgot to show, but this is a water heater. So I have a little water tank in there, can take a shower. But so now you have space, and I can also remove that. I won't do it now because it's a bit more of a pain. All my stuff is back there now, yeah. This bar can move up and down. That means I can move up and down the bed. Of course, it becomes narrower when you move up the bed, and that's why I have this center board that has a little bit of plane into it. Oh, this thing here, shoebox. Okay, and also I left the original pipe here for all the electrical. I know a lot of people remove it, but I thought it was good to have if I need to rewire something, and I do right now for the antenna booster. And frankly, I don't mind the look. I like the industrial functional look, and that's what this van tried to keep with this van. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff in here. As you can see, there's storage, you know, shovel, booster cable, little chair, a curtain that I can put for when I take a shower, and this is the tank, water tank for the water. So on this side here, it's the electrical, and I have two AGM batteries here, inverter, solar panel controller, battery charger, isolator switch, because it's connected to the car battery. So when the car runs, it charges the battery, and I can empty those without emptying the car batteries. So that's all the electrical. Again, the total cost of this was $5,000, this conversion, and about 100 hours of work, and another $4,000 for all the windows and the ceiling fan. So it's very reasonable, and I did that in a month and a half, 2 months during the lockdown phase of the pandemic. So that was a good project to have it and be able to do at home. So hope you enjoyed it, and I'm not trying to tell you this is the right way to do it. This is just how I've done it, and that fills my needs, and I like it. It's comfortable and has a good functional aspect to it that is good for the type of stuff I do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any comment, please write something below. So I hope you enjoyed the tour, and I'm gonna go for a hike now because it's really nice here in the Utah desert.